welcome to Aarsun. This is Tanisha Arora. Today I have along with me Ashish Mittal,
Namaskar.
Director of Aarsun. Today we will be talking about one of the most important furniture items in our home. So Ashish ji, what we are going to talk about today?
We'll be talking about wardrobe designs.
Hmm.
What really happens, ma'am, in any home, the wardrobes, the almirahs, or we also call them almari in
Yeah.
Hindi, and armoire, closet, wardrobe, a lot of names for this thing. And the issue mainly is they are generally big in size.
Hmm.
And it could be a 4 door, 6 door, 8 door. Generally, what people do is in bedrooms they try and cover a complete wall with a wardrobe so they get more space because there are so many things to store. We have so many clothes
Yeah.
and so many other stuff that we generally require.
Hmm.
So wardrobes essentially require more space.
Okay.
And then with the hardwares like the pant, the trouser holders,
Hmm.
and the coat holders, the hangers, the rods, and the other fittings these days, they generally have each compartment, everything has a different compartment.
Okay.
So 6 doors or 4 doors Almirah is quite common. Here we are going to talk about the concept part, how we can get the Almirahs done in homes or made in homes, but with a classical or modern setup, something like this.
Okay. Ashish ji, I can see here we have the door part of the
Yes.
unit. So what about the back of the unit?
See, and what happens is in any wardrobe, the
Hmm.
back, the box part is made of ply, MDF, engineered wood,
Okay.
HDF, laminated boards.
Hmm.
Everywhere is the
Hmm.
same. Even
Okay.
if we make that, we'll not make the interior part in wood
Hmm.
because making in wood would be very, very heavy. The
Hmm.
weight would be too much.
Hmm.
So solid wood doesn't work in the storage part of the unit. The back part is made by mostly laminated MDFs or SDFs or SDMRs these days.
Okay.
So what happens is on the site, if
Hmm.
we have a particular space, the back part is generally done by the local carpenters.
Okay.
So wall to wall or the fitting area can be completed and that can be done locally. The hardware is generally the same everywhere.
Hmm.
So rather than carrying the whole big unit from here to your place, is always better to get the back part done on site.
Okay.
But what happens when you have designer furniture in the room?
Hmm.
So the front part needs to be matching with the bedroom furniture,
Yeah,
like your
exactly.
beds,
Hmm.
your other items like the side tables, dressing units. So what we do is we provide the panels like these. So these
Okay.
are the carving patterns. And if you remember, we have made several videos
Hmm.
of different beds, very heavy beds,
Hmm.
and these will be in the same room. So we have done 3 different colors here. So you can see this is in multicolor. This one is white, off-white with gold, and this
Okay.
has got walnut with the gold highlighting,
Hmm.
and everything is in matte finish, just like the beds we have made. So in the same rooms they'll go. So the
Okay.
back part is already ready on site, and these doors will be fit on the wardrobe front part, and you can see the holes here. These are for the hinges, and the hinges will be fit inside this and inside the wardrobe part, and the door will be matching the theme of the bedroom. This
Okay.
is how it works.
Okay, sir. I understand. These are the doors.
Yes.
But how about this one? This is something different.
These days, the modern concept of wardrobes is
Hmm.
wardrobe with a dressing unit, with a
Okay.
mirror.
Yeah.
You may have seen a lot of designs with a
Hmm.
mirror
Hmm.
fit in the wardrobe itself.
Yeah.
Because it's a big area
Hmm.
and it provides nice mirror space so anyone can use it as a dressing also.
Yeah.
So here in this one, the slot you see inside,
Hmm.
here we get a mirror,
Okay.
and this will work as a mirror wardrobe.
Hmm. Okay.
So can work dually. It can be a dressing unit along with the wardrobe as well. So you can see a slot here. So we have provided a 5 mm slot as the client
Hmm.
wanted. He'll fit a 5 mm mirror in this, and it's a mirror wardrobe.
Okay. Sir, if I understand correctly, this is the proper rectangular shape wardrobe.
Yes, that's right. The panels that you see here, there are multiple panels. You
Yeah.
can see on that side, there are multiple panels. So it's around an 8 door Almirah, 8 door wardrobe.
Okay.
So 8 doors will be one to one like this,
Okay.
closing two compartments each, and a full rectangular Almirah will be created with these doors.
Okay. Sir, earlier we have made many videos.
Yes.
In that we see the crown part and the lower design
Yes.
as well. So can we do that design in this wardrobe also?
Yes, absolutely. See, this is basically when we have big units,
Hmm.
big wardrobe units, and to save on the transport cost and to save on all the hassle, because it may be possible that you have a 9 feet high Almirah, and carrying that big unit inside the home is a task in itself.
Yeah.
The doors are not that tall, and carrying it on the stairs, turning it, and when you do that, there may be scratches or some damage
Yeah,
issues.
exactly.
So to avoid all that, we do this, that the back structure is created in the room, in the place itself, on site.
Okay.
And that is mostly the carpenter's work. So carpenters can do that, and everywhere we have carpenters.
Okay.
This is the artistic work. So artistic work we can provide you. This is for the rectangular shape, as we discussed. If you like something that has a crown shape on the top, or you want something artistic leg types, or you want some jhalar at the lower part to make it more artistic, or on the sides if you want some design, on the ends of the wardrobe you want some design, a long running design, that can be done. So it completely depends on the design the client wants.
Okay.
So they can give us any design, and we can suggest them that what part we can make here and what part should be done on site, to save hassle to both, to make it easier, to make it more practical, and save on the cost as well.
Okay.
Cost is a big part here, because
Exactly.
wardrobe is a big thing, and transporting such big things always involves a lot of cost.
Exactly.
So if we can save, now you can see so many panels. We have got these, I think, 9 total wardrobes we have got. So many panels can be easily transported one over another, and in a small vehicle.
Exactly.
But if we have to make 9 big wardrobes, how many vehicles we will
Yeah,
require
it's
to
hard.
transport that, and how much cost would be there? So we have saved the cost, we have saved the hassle, we have saved the issues getting inside, the damaged part, the turning, the carrying, labor, all the issues we have saved. And the hardware is almost a similar cost everywhere.
Yeah.
All the companies, the hardware, like all the branded hardwares are almost the same price everywhere. Carpenters can be a little less costly or more costlier depending on place to place.
Okay.
But end of the day, that's not a major cost.
So if you're looking for something beautiful wardrobe like this for your home, so you can contact us. The number is right here. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.
And we deliver in India and out of India as well. Arson is an international trademark in more than 35 countries, and we are exporting our stuff in more than 55 countries. So, export quality stuff in factory prices, home delivered to your place in India or out of India, wherever you are, with the practical approach. So you can contact us, we'll discuss, we'll let you know what is the best process, the best way, and we can save the cost and the hassle also. Hope you like our work. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Thank you.